Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to merge many videos together in Flutter macOS using AV mutable composition. So let's get started. So firstly I have this app. So if I click on pick video, it will open the video picker. I'll select this particular video, I'll click on open. Now I can pick multiple videos, so I'll click on pick video again and I'll select this video. I'll click on open. Now before pressing merge videos, I want to show you one issue which is present for Flutter macOS. So as soon as I click on merge video and the videos are merged, now it might take little bit of time depending how big your videos are, so be patient. But once the AV player or the video player starts displaying inside our video, I can't really pause it or mute it. This is because of this Flutter macOS bug. But as soon as I click on merge, I will just stop talking, and I'll also click on save video button at the same time once our player is ready, so that it downloads that merged video inside our downloads folder. So I'll click on merge. Okay, so I have stopped that particular video, and if I go to my downloads directory, here you can see my.mp4, which is almost 4.8 MB, almost double the size of these two videos which we have selected. And if I show you from this, it is almost 30 seconds long, and the original videos were 15 seconds long each. So this was 15 seconds and this was 15 seconds. Okay, I couldn't really show it to you, like I was not able to play, pause or move the seek bar. That's why, because of this particular issue. Like the issue is basically that if you have a native view inside your Flutter macOS app, you gestures doesn't really work. Okay, anyway, so let's get started. So here I have our main.dart file, and I have refactored our home page widget. So I have created one method channel for this called video picker platform, and here I have defined one video URL variable. Then I have defined one method called pick video, then another method called save video. So it basically invokes this pick video method which I have defined it on native macOS side, similarly for save video as well. And this is for merging our video. So once we call the merge video, we get the video URL on our Flutter side, and I send that URL back to native macOS side. Okay, so that's why we are assigning it to our video URL variable. Now if you see the UI, for first button we are calling pick video, for second button we are calling merge video, third button is save video, and here once video URL is not equal to empty, then we are displaying this custom widget called my macOS video view. It is wrapped inside a size box, because if we don't do that, our video view will not be visible. That's why. Now for this custom widget, if you see, firstly we have to define one identifier and use the same identifier on native macOS side as well. Then I have created one stateful widget. Then here I have defined, it takes a video URL as an input. Then I have defined our creation params map. So inside the init state, we are basically generating that particular unique key, and if you see the creation params, we are assigning the video URL to the to this particular key of video URL. Then I have also overridden this particular method, so that if you select a different video, our widget should get updated. Then inside AppKit view, we are passing our key, view type as well as creation params, and the layout direction and creation param codec are boilerplate code. Then you will have to open the XC workspace of your macOS inside Xcode, and here firstly go to runner, and here make sure you update the minimum deployment to macOS 12, and over here as well make sure it is minimum 12. I have kept it as 12.2, that's fine. Then go to main Flutter window, and here you can see we have imported AVKit. I have created one variable for final URL and one array of URLs, so whenever you pick new videos, this get appended to this particular variable. Then I have created a video picker platform, and if pick video is called, we are calling this open video picker method. Now if you see the open video picker method, we are basically filtering by videos. Allow multiple selection is false, but if you want, you can keep it true as well in this case. And once we have a URL, we send it back to our we do a return type on that. So once I get the URL, I just append it to our array. Now for merge video, we are calling this particular method called join videos, and here you can see that join videos gives us a return type of updated URL, which I send it back to the Flutter side from this. Now if I show you join videos, here you can see we are first creating our AV mutable composition, then a file manager, then we create our video composition track, audio composition track, then we loop through all the videos which are present. We create an AV asset video track, an offset audio track, then we get the duration of the first video. So here you can see while inserting it, we are inserting according to the time range. So for the first time, the current duration is 0, right? So for the first video, it will start from 0th second. Alright, then we update the current duration to whatever is the duration of the first video. So once you come to the merging of second video, it will start from the end of first video. That's what we are doing over here. Then we create an export path and export URL. If file already exists, we remove that particular file. Then we create an AV asset export session. We assign it to our output URL. We set an output file type, optimize for network usage true, and then we export our video. This is just for my debugging purpose. I have created the status, but if you want, you can keep it, otherwise ignore it. Then we assign our URL to our final URL and return it back. Then okay, now for saving the video, we are firstly what you will have to do is go to runner, sign in and capabilities, and here inside user selected file for debug, make sure this is read only, or for downloads folder this is read/write. Similarly for app sandbox release, this should be read only. For downloads folder, it should be read/write. Then you will have to again go to main Flutter window. Okay, so this is the code for saving the video. So we are basically getting hold of our downloads directory. If the final URL is not nil, then we create a destination URL based on the last path component of our final URL. If file does not exist, we return back. If file does exist, we remove it, and then we move that particular file from final URL to destination URL, which is our downloads directory. Also if you come over here, we are registering our native player view, like the AV player view. So this is important. Like everything is boilerplate code. The important part is this identifier which you see over here. This should be the same whatever you have defined it on the Flutter side. And here we have defined one Swift file called my macOS view native view factory. So for that I have created one Swift file which I will show you, but let me just check if I have shown you everything else or not. Yeah, now you will have to create a file called my macOS view native view factory. It imports AVKit as well along with Cocoa and Flutter macOS. Now this part which you see, this entire part, oh sorry, up till here, okay, this is boilerplate code which you have to write for creating any kind of native macOS view for Flutter. So just copy paste this for now. The next thing is we have created our AV player view, and then we are creating our video URL. So whatever you have passed it from Flutter side, we are fetching that, creating a URL out of it. Then we create an AV player, assign our player to our player view control, AV player view, sorry, and then start playing the video, and here we are returning our player view. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.